Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Hope you've all been having a good week. My week has been pretty boring. Played some tennis yesterday and not much else on the go. So I thought I'd do another pour today just to give me something to do. So today I'm going to be creating a new painting for our bathroom. We've got some beautiful roller blinds in the bathroom with some beautiful patterns on them. And the colors that I'm using today are going to match the colors in the blind. So we've got a beautiful sap green, we've got white, black, magenta, a little bit of yellow in there. We've got a nice deep phthalo blue, and then finally we've got a beautiful purple. So because I've been having so much success with my flip cup pours, I'm going to be doing another flip cup today. I hope you guys aren't getting bored with the same technique, but I've been getting such nice results from it that I thought it would look really good in our bathroom once it's dry. So first things first, let me stack the cups and then I'll cut back. Right guys, there we go. We've got the cups stacked up. 2 layers of each in each cup, and each cup is exactly the same combination of colors. So hopefully this will work out as well as the other ones. Let's get these down. There we go. We're just going to let those sit for a little while and let the paint come down the sides of the cup, and then we're going to be doing the pour. Now I've got the yellow in here. Our blinds have quite a lot of green in them, so I'm hoping that the yellow and the blue will sort of combine a little bit and make the green, even though we do have some sap green in there as well. So yeah, I'm looking forward to see how this turns out. As I said, the last 2 that I've done like this, I really love them, and could do with having a nice one for our bathroom. Right, these things are probably ready. Let me give them a little flip and drag. Right, so I'm going to be using my little piece of card again to ensure that the corners stay, so we keep the paint on the corners like we did last time. Right, let's get going with the tilts. Right, there we go guys, the layers are down. Now it's just a matter of doing the flame. My favorite part, when we get to see what cells come out. I've put a little bit of silicone oil as usual into each color. So I'm hoping that we get just as many cells as we did with our last pour. So let us see what happens here. I like how this the white and the green have combined to make that really light green. Right, let's get flaming. There we have it. Some really sort of big bits of silicone here, some big drops. Not sure why that is, because I did give the paints a thorough mix before I put the silicone in, but I guess maybe it just clumped together. But I'm enjoying the color palette. It's actually going to match really nicely with our blinds. It's got a little bit of each of the colors in there. Predominantly green, which is nice, which will go with our blinds, and the magenta and the purple really shining through nicely as well. These cells are just still developing here. You give it one more flame and just see what happens. I must say I'm really happy with this technique at the moment. It's producing some great paintings, and I must say thanks to Julie at Pouring Your Heart Out for sort of giving me those extra tips on one of her pours in terms of the amount of paint to use and the layering of the paints. I find that when you do the double layer in each cup, you actually get a lot more cells rather than just having, you know, single colors coming after each other in a row. So that was a great help. So thanks to Julie for that. And I think that's going to be it, guys. It's cells are still developing. The only thing I don't like is this sort of browny, sort of murky brown there. But I guess that's coming from the black and the green mixing together. But otherwise, I think it looks great. Nice bright colors, lots of cells as normal, and it's going to look great on our bathroom wall. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you're having a good Thursday. It's a little bit cold and overcast here today, which is great to have a little break from the summer sun and the summer heat. But yeah, hope you guys are all doing well. Don't forget to like and subscribe as always, guys. If you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed, just head over there and click the subscribe button. And why not hit that like button as well if you like the art that I'm producing for you. So that's it, guys. Enjoy the rest of your week. I'll probably do another pour on the weekend. I have to order a few extra canvases today and some more white paint because I'm almost out. And as soon as those arrive, I will be back with another pour. So until then, keep well. Here's the close-up. Cheers.